So welcome back again. So in the final series is to show you how to do a delete API, REST API call, and this delete is going to delete something. Obviously it's going to delete whatever you've got in the database. It's usually difficult to actually automate the delete because think about it, you've got to be able to like create something to be able to go and delete it, isn't it? So but I'll just show you simply how to delete. You can just in the real world, you've got to like be able to change post with the delete call. Okay, let's dive in. So here is the same code that we started with. Obviously got a base URL set up, and that's it really. There's nothing much on this, and a few examples of get, post, put that we've just done before now. So let's go and actually look at delete. So if we go here and just create, just to keep it tidy, all I'm going to do is just to if I just go here and just create a directory. So if we create a directory, we would call it delete request. So delete underscore request. There you go. So now we've done this delete. We just like create a file, the same kind of name. It doesn't really matter what you call the file. Delete request. Obviously, just to keep some things simple. .tx. So TypeScript again, just to make things easy, I am going to go to the put and copy the code from there, so we can just edit and just move on. So if I go here and paste this through, okay, so now we'll copy it and paste it. We just need to get rid of some of these things really. So I'll just go here and just get rid of this one. Don't need it. We just need a simple thing. We probably just don't need many of these things really. I just delete all of these things because there's no point reading a data to do an API delete. Delete doesn't take a body, so here you're just going to put a delete and the path we are deleting. I don't think delete takes accept, but we'll see that in a minute. Doing an assertion here as well. We'll see what we get, but I don't think there's no data coming down once you do delete. So let's go and have a look on the Swagger. So what are we going to delete here? So let's delete this one, username. Normally, obviously you need to be able to like create the user. The user that I know that people create a lot is this string. So let's go and create something, at least we can have something to delete it. That's going to give us 200, and obviously the type will be unknown if you want to look for that, and message as well. But I think that will be that. So what we need as well is /user. So if we take this and just go in here, so let's do /user. Here it's just user. This is in lowercase user, and I don't think we're not doing that because if you go and have a look on this API, so let's pull this up again. So let's go to that, and if we just run that code, okay, it does take this the two things. Okay, so that's my bad. Oh, sorry, that's not that. Let's go to that's user, and if you go to the delete and just put that username, okay, here string. If you delete it, so it just takes only this one, and it takes user / the username really. So let's go back and just do that. So let's go, and what it takes is user / the username. Username in this case is a string. That's fine. It doesn't really matter. So here, that's what we are going to delete, and then this one we're going to call it. Let's nickname this this request. Let's nickname it to be user. And if you grab that user back, you can just do what you want to do. Obviously, in this case, it's going to be delete, and it's just one option really. There's no data being passed around. I think this should do really. So if you want to double check and see that we've done the right thing. So again, if we cross check and just make sure that everything else is fine, let's go and run this and see what is going to come down with. So let's go back and just open this up, and I'm going to go back into the test and see if the delete is popping up. Delete is popping up, and there you go. Test passed. Every single thing is clean. That's how you do delete. Thank you very much.